Most companies still think their biggest security risk is their servers, but in 2026, that's no longer true. The real risk has moved to endpoints. With remote work becoming the norm, employees are now accessing company data from everywhere. At the same time, AI-powered attacks are getting more sophisticated, more targeted, and much harder to detect. And here's the shift. Attackers are no longer just trying to break into your infrastructure. They're going after your employees' devices, laptops, desktops, and everything in between. But this is exactly where most companies get it wrong. They invest heavily in securing servers, networks, and cloud systems, while having very limited visibility into what's actually happening on endpoint devices. And that creates a huge blind spot. So, what is endpoint monitoring really? At its core, it's about understanding what's happening on your users' devices in real time. What applications are running, what files are being accessed or transferred, and how data is moving across the system. Because without that visibility, you're essentially guessing. A modern solution, like AnySecura, helps bridge that gap. It allows you to monitor application usage, track file transfers, and keep an eye on browser activity, so you can detect risky behavior before it turns into a real problem. And more importantly, it gives you control. So what should companies actually do? First, gain full visibility across all endpoints. Second, define clear and enforceable security policies. And third, continuously monitor and respond to suspicious activity. Because in today's environment, prevention alone isn't enough. You need awareness. Start taking control with AnySecura.